video, I will show you the tailor's tack. To begin, you will need a needle with double thread and a knot at the end. This stitch is meant to have long stitches that are very loose. I'm making my stitch about every inch and leaving roughly 1 1/4 inch of thread between each stitch that I make. This could also work with a single thread and no knot, but choose what you need depending on the fabric you are using. Once I've traced over my seam line, I'll remove my needle. Next, I will very gently open up the section I stitched together, allowing the stitches to expand in the seam line. And then after that, I will take the scissors and clip the threads. This tailor's tack is used to leave markings behind to show where your seam line, darts, or notches are located without the use of chalk, transfer paper, or pens. Using this technique does take some practice to get the precision just right, but once you get the hang of it, it can be a great way to mark lines on delicate fabrics. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you'd like to see more, and make sure to share the video with a friend. Until next time, my name is Audra, and I'll see you in the next video.